In this part, we will be doing the setup. We will install WordPress. Hi, I am Poroj. In this series, we are learning how to convert a static HTML page into a dynamic WordPress website. So, let's start. First, we will visit wordpress.org. Not wordpress.com. WordPress.com is hosting platform of WordPress. Developers have nothing much to do with .com. So they are also available in Ohomia. Get WordPress. So we will download WordPress source code from here. You might be getting higher version of this that time. That's not a problem. Let's download it. Download finished. We will keep it under htdocs. Extract here. So this is the folder. We have to rename it. Just because we are developing our portfolio, I will keep this as per my name, Poroj. It will be easy for us to handle the projects if we keep this name as per project name or the site name. Now we have to go to localhost phpMyAdmin. Now we have to create a new database. I will name it as Poroj. Now to install the WordPress, we have to visit that folder, that is localhost / the folder name is Poroj. Now choose your language from here. I will be going with US English. You can change this language later also. Database name is Poroj. Username and password of localhost is root and blank. Database host is localhost. All the table in the database will start with these letters wp_. We can change it as per our requirement, but I'll keep it unchanged. Submit. Run the installation. Site title is I am Poroj. Username password will be used to log in from the backend in the site. I'll keep it admin and admin. Confirm use of quick password, email ID, install WordPress. My installation is successful. We'll log in to our backend with admin and admin. We'll log in. So this is the backend of our site. Our clients or we can handle our site from here, and for that we don't need any coding languages. If we go to settings, the site language, we can choose our language, save changes. And one more change we have to do, go to permalink, change the common settings as post name, save changes. It will be easy for us to read the post URL, and it will also help in optimization of the site. Now if we go to themes, we can see 3 themes over here, 2020, 2019 and 2021. We will be using none of them. We will be developing our own theme from that static page. Now if we go to I am Poroj, visit site. So this is the front end. This will be the look of the site for now. So as we move on developing our theme, the look of the site will be changing accordingly. In the next part we will start developing our theme. See you there. Bye.